class this week. So basic. 1, 2, 3. Lead turn, lady turn. Going 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead, regular. Cross body lead, inside turn. LA walk. Lift 5, 6, 7. Change hands. Right to right. Shoulder check. Forward. 1, 2, turn 3. Right hand turn. Basic. And you're done with the beginner move. Alright? So for advanced move, to be honest guys, I kind of forgot the beginning of the advanced move. All I remember though, is that we went 1, 2, 3, turn 5, 6, lead 7, bring that hand down. 1, go 2, 3, walk behind your partner. 5, turn 6, change hands 7. We did a basic. 1, 2, 3, left hand on top, cobra. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, connect 3, 2 turns. 360, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Basic, and you're done. So, if you remembered what we did Sunday, put it in the comments below. I completely forgot. I'm sorry, everybody. But anyway, remember to subscribe so you can get more combos like this every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something, and we'll see you next Sunday in class. Bye, everybody!